morning. Today I am going to talk about some constitutional provisions which are related to human rights. Here I am going to discuss some socio-economic right which enshrined our constitution. So, this principle for socio-economic rights and welfare have been provided in Articles 38, 39, 39A, 41 and 42. Actually, in these articles, the provision, the principle for socio-economic rights are provided. And let us see these articles. Article 38 provides that the state shall strive to promote the welfare of the people by protecting as effectively as it may a social order in which justice, social, economic and political shall inform all the institutions of the national life. It also directs the state to eliminate inequalities in income, status and opportunity not only among individuals but also among people. Through this article, Article 38, the constitutional provisions ensure that the welfare of people, a just political, economic, social order for the people in our country. And it also ensures that it also directs the state to eliminate inequalities in income. There are so many inequalities in income existing. So, these inequalities should be eliminated, and inequalities in status. Maybe in India, there are many inequalities in the case of status existed. So, it should be, the inequalities in the case of status should be eliminated, and opportunities. There are so much of inequalities in the case of opportunities. So, the inequalities in the case of opportunities also eliminated, not only among the individual but also among the groups. This elimination of inequality in income, status or an opportunity should be eliminated in the case of an individual and in the case of group of people. That is enshrined in the Article 38. And Article 39, actually it provides that the state shall in particular direct its policies for securing the citizens, both men and women. Actually, there are many policies provided by the state, and it should be secured citizens, both men and women. Actually, both men and women are eligible to get these policies. The state should be considered both men and women, and their state should make some provision for the betterment of men and women. They should be treated equally. I am saying some provisions, that is equal right to an adequate means of livelihood. Actually, both men and women have the right for an adequate livelihood and equal pay for equal work. Actually, that is an alarming issue. Maybe men and women differ in the case of pay, or they are differentiated in the case of pay. Maybe they are doing equal work, but they are paid unequally. So, equal pay for equal work should be ensured through this constitutional provision, and fair distribution and control of resources so as to serve the common good. So, the resources, we know that resources is scarce, and these resources should be fairly distributed between both men and women for the common good. That is enshrined in this constitutional provision. And another one is to check the operation of economic system is in a way that it does not result in the concentration of wealth and means of production to the common detriment. It is an alarming issue. Maybe the wealth and means of production may be concentrated among some people, and It should not be used for the common detriment. And another concept is opportunities and facilities for children and youth to develop in healthy manner and not to be exploited. Actually, there are some opportunities and facilities for the children and youth available, and it should be used for the development and not to be exploited. Actually, the opportunities and facilities available for the youth and children should be used for the development of this particular people, and they are not to be exploited. So this is the one part of socioeconomic rights. Okay,